good angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally all up on your screen with another episode of The Session. Welcome back to another episode of The Session, guys. In this week's episode, I just want to big up everybody and tell everybody Happy New Year. We finally reached 2021. We are 7 days into the new year at the time of this recording, and hopefully at the time of your viewing it will still be January 7th. Please, Father God, may that video export quickly and upload quickly. Thank you. Yes. But I'm so stoked and excited about this year, guys. I'm excited about the content that I'm about to provide to you guys. I have so many ideas under the woodwork from 2019, and I just feel like this is the year that I'm gonna be able to bring it to you guys. So fingers crossed nothing else goes haywire and I'm able to deliver on those ideas to you guys. So for this video, I just want to say thank you and welcome to all my new subscribers. Listen to me, at the first time I see this in my life. Like, I had no idea that one video would have done so well on an off topic. I had no idea that I would ever end up reacting to Trinidad music outside of Jamaica to begin with, outside of like my little Queen Naija, my little Cardi B, where I know my love already. But I really was sticking to locals, and I took, you know, the opportunity that was presented to me after what happened on my previous video talking about Trinidad being the home of dancehall to react to some Trinidad music. And people, if you don't see it yet, check that video out, because it has literally, in my eyes, when I care about what nobody wants to say, yes, it will have no millions of views, but for me, that video they're gone. And I'm so happy of all the engagement and the support that I've been getting from the wider dancehall community outside of Jamaica. You know, people from Belize were commenting, people from Guyana, people from Trinidad, of course. But the love is just amazing, and you guys are subscribing and liking the video, and it's just, I just love all of you. And it really got me thinking about the essence of dance and the essence of music as a Caribbean people. And really and truly, I don't just want the session to be a space where we only entertain certain types of dancehall, certain places where dancehall is from, and so I really would like for it to be a space where we embrace Caribbean dancehall coming from anywhere, dancehall coming from any root. You get where I come from? So based on your thorough request, I could not do this. I could not do this. This had to be my first video of 2021. I'm about to react to some more Trinidad music. All of them are Trinidad? Yes, I think all of them on this list in particular is Trinidad. Wait, my laptop. Yeah, all of the artists and panelists here look like are from Trinidad, but it don't really matter, because this is something that I'm going to be implementing into the session weekly, where we react to music from outside of, you know, Jamaica as well. But I want to incorporate reactions as a part of this session, outside of just talking about the hot dancehall stories and whatever. I want to also upload like a weekly episode. Well, this session has an episode weekly, but one of the hot topics I want to be just going through what are some of the music out there based on what you guys suggest. Also, guys, I am recovering from a flu. I believe I had the flu bug a few days ago. I'm still not all the way better, but I couldn't let a whole week pass and I not upload a video on this channel, especially for the session. So we're just about to jump into this video. This intro was hella long, but I had to, you know, deal with all of the things on the agenda. Had to address all my new subscribers. There's a lot of you. Welcome to the family. I hope you guys enjoy the content that we're about to bring more. And just leave comments, guys. Leave comments down below telling me what song you want me to react to. It doesn't have to be a dancehall song from Jamaica or Trinidad. It can be out of Panama, it can be out of Guyana, it can be out of Belize, it can be out of Grenada. It doesn't matter. Dancehall is global. And this session is where we're going to teach people that, because people feel like dancehall just one little speck on the globe, so well, we're global, we're there everywhere. If you have a Japanese artist or Japanese song, send it to me and I will react to it here on this session. So that's what we're dealing with for 2021. You get what I said? Dancehall is global. So the first song that I'm going to be reacting to is Prince Swanny, Catch 22. Holy for people in the comment section underneath the video where I was reacting to Say Less and the Prince Swanny song. What I go? If I were them one, honestly, And that me remember the song as if I were them what and that me remember. But I don't think I got the song name. But yeah, I'm gonna react right now to Prince One Catch 22. The song here come out long time though, from June 1st, 2020. But I did ask the persons in that video to just comment down below what other songs they want me to react to, and this one was suggested a lot. So even though it's an old song, I'm still gonna take a look at it to see what else Prince Swanny that want with. So let's jump right into this. Z-Tech Records. Oh yeah, somebody in the comment section did also say Z-Tech is like the label where I manage Prince Swanny and a couple of other big artists out of Trinidad. But that video have 11 million views. Prince Swanny I got a bag of things. I like Prince Swanny still. Me even introduce him to other people and tell them say yo check him out. Can I use here? No, at the place I song here. Them chain here, I know when they tell me say the chain them is a Trini gangster thing, Trini artist thing. But still the vibe is everything, guys. I like this, I like the vibe here. Where get that suit here from? That pink here kill me. It takes a strong man to wear pink. Get that? And that girl here nice. I like this. More. I like this. Me and the girl have vibe. Me and her is like this nice. No, but what is not this? Watch out. I am just what kind of drama this? Alright, Prince Swanny bad. Alright, so that is the first song that we are gonna be reacting to tonight. The second song that we're going to be looking at, listen, but don't even remember where his name is. As a matter of fact, I'm not even violate my subscriber. Me I'm gonna look for see where his name right now, because the post notification on this video, our first post notification of 2021. Yes, so we're gonna do it right throughout the year. So comment underneath the video, hit the like button, and comment down below Dancehall Global, and you might be mentioned as our post notification in the next episode of this session. But post notification for this video, Mama tell you know who it got to. I know I'm gonna end up seated at the screen recording and everything. I don't even care. And that video you may talk about people they need to go check out because it's late. But which part? I don't even know if it's a girl. Not almost. See him right here, so I don't even know if he's a man or a woman this, but not almost leave at least 10 comments underneath that video here. See how much time him name pop up. Alright people, listen, if you not deal with the thing like that, we're not true angels. You get where I come from? We're not some B angel, we're not an archangel, we're not par with Michael and Lucifer and Gabriel them. You see what I say? We're not par with like Castiel and the other angel them. You see me? But not a par with Michael. You see me? A this and that thing there cannot leave a whole heap of comments and not make sure me know for go check out Boy Die. And I had to come and check out Boy Die. Now Boy Die come out from 2019, so I don't really know when that I study. Why not love that song here so much? Why not be determined for make me know? Comment 2 times for react to Boy. But I am giving my angels what they ask for. So I'm going to see what Boy I want with. Hopefully we can look for someone more current for Boy in the next episode. You know, so comment down below. What know I'm listening to from Boy. Well, look a bit more recent, if even 2020, because this is way back in 2019. But we're gonna keep to listen. This is Boy Die. No, wait, it is Jamaican. No, him accent, my name not joke. Him accent is so, yo brother. No, him a Jamaican. No, comment down below and tell me what go for boy boy, cause boy boy accent is so Jamaican and even funny. Hear the bass in the man voice, man. This bad. Oh, I don't know that song here. And that did I say it play out here. But I don't know that song here. I love cats. Listen, a Jamaica this record. I can post it too. So people are coming, say the Trini artists them are come bad and I come bad for real. That song are bad still, I like Boy Boy. I forgot definitely check out some more recent song from Boy Boy. But Boy Boy bad still not. That was a good suggestion. Alright.